Good morning.
My name's Martin. Some of you know that, I'm sure. So, where should we go? Bournemouth?
Bournemouth.
Yeah, let's go Bournemouth then. Okay, well it's only an hour from here, virtually just over an hour. So we'll go straight down. You can get some breakfast and choose a good spot on the beach.
Yeah.
But before we go, you have to have a safety lecture.
Yeah.
Because you are all stupid.
What?
Boris tells me you're stupid, so you have to have a safety lecture. So,
What is this? Look.
emergency exits. The door you came in, one on the right in the middle, down the stairs. If the coach rolls over, there are two roof hatches. Little red hammers on them. Smash the hatches, climb out, run away. If we roll upside down, so you can't use the roof hatches, there are little red hammers on the walls between the curtains. Use them to smash out the windows. And then you run away. If we catch fire, I have a fire extinguisher down here with me, and there's one down the central stairs. And if you burn yourself putting out the fire, there's a first aid kit in the overhead locker. Okay? We also have a chemical toilet on board down the centre stairs.
Chemical toilet.
Comfy,
What's it
small, tight, but it's there. You flush it by pressing the button. Oh dear. You haven't left me a present, have you? Oh, okay. As you go in, and if you were sat down, you look to your right. There are two buttons, one for the sink, one for the toilet flush. It's a chemical toilet, so you know, back to the camping days. But it's there should you require it, okay?
Okay.
But be careful, because it's the door on the left as you go down, not the door right in front of you, which ends up quite embarrassing. You're all over the road. Simple, isn't it? It's air conditioned, so if it gets too hot, too cold, you'll have to shout, and then I'll ignore you. And that's it, really, isn't it?
I think
So I'm going to drop you down
Panic.
by, I remember what it's called now, the Pavilion in Bournemouth. Down by the Pavilion, which you can see the seafront and everything from there. And I will pick you up from exactly the same place, give or take a coach or two, because it's going to be busy, at 6:15. That means we want to be away at 6:15. That doesn't mean pack up and start walking back at 6:15. It means leaving 6:15, okay? The display finishes just before 6, unless it's like yesterday when it finishes early because of a malfunction. Yeah, so simple, isn't it? Okay, anyone got any questions?
6:45. 6:45.
Would you like me to hold your hand?
No.
Who's saying this?
The red arrows.
Yeah? Yeah, I'll remind you all when we get there. In a cafe.
Oh yeah, that's the one.
Somewhere with a big sign saying big breakfast. They're everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. There's cafes all through the shopping centre, all down the seafront, by the pier.
We're not.
You'll have so many, you've got a massive choice. But it will be busy, I should imagine.
So there's not
What?
for you know. We'll buy a coffee.
No, he's not stopping me.
Oh, I don't know.
It
I
says
think everything's
1 hour.
open to the public on the pier. I'm pretty sure it's an all access pier. Sorry, a missing person just turned up, is it? No. No. Okay. Right. We will go. So you're all happy? Any more questions?
No.
Hold tight.
Thank you. Today is Sunday, September 5. September 5, right? Today is Sunday, September 5. I just sure it because I sleep a little bit. And we're on the way going to Bournemouth. Few only. I just discuss certain things because we're inside in the coach on the way to Bournemouth Airshow. And this is not a working coach, but a Lockheed coach, which I don't remember last time when we went to Weymouth. And we're just happy, me and Peter, because be going into a certain place there in a bunker where they talk about the, they display those they used during the Second World War, including the First World War. So that place is so nice, And then this is the one. This is the lucky coach that we just be on the way. And today we're just going to Bournemouth. It's not a wedding coach, but it's a Lockheed. Another coach, but this is a sister company of the wedding coach. You only I just say it because it's nice to talk outside. It's not inside in a coach, because you only hear the sound of the engine. So you only I just say it. And last will be next week is the mystery drive. I don't know where we're going. Well, the driver of the coach, wedding coach, will take us. That would be next week. So I guess that's all now. I just say it. You only. I didn't beat you. We're on the way, going out. I mean, when we go out in the flat, we just leave. Only now here inside the coach. So that's all for now. I just continue later on.
In front of us, it's called the seafront. So the pier is directly in front of us. You can see the seafront, basically. We're just going to pull around here. Now this is where all the coaches will pick up. So I will be here somewhere, because it could be pretty busy, as you can tell. It's going to get mad. So you've got the main shopping centre on our right. We came through the old part of town. This is another old part of town. But if you went straight forward, just round the corner a bit, you've got the modern sort of shopping centre area. Obviously the seafront's on your left. You've got the pavilion, everything there. Also you've got tourist information down there. Everything you could desire, basically. So you've got a pier on your left. Now the Airshow performs between the two piers. So you've got the pier here, which is Bournemouth, and one behind us, left, which is towards Gosport. So the Airshow is between the two piers. Okay, so you're at the right-hand end of the Airshow. And I will meet you back here again at...
6:15.
5:45.
Yeah, 6 o'clock's good. Then you won't miss me. Okay?
Okay.
But we want to be away for 15:15. Okay?
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, that's why I say I'm holding you. We follow that guy. That's our companion. Okay, I'm holding you because I cannot see properly because my eyes is blurred. Okay. We are now in Bournemouth. This time we're just walking.
Stop, what's that?
I don't know.
Well, there's the pier.
Where? Oh,
there's
we
the
follow
pier.
there. Oh, we cannot go in, right?
There's the pier.
Okay, we just follow in. Oh, there's no space there. We cannot go in. We pass by in this side. Okay.
Go anywhere, couldn't we? Well, basically, but it'll be.
I think that's our companion, right? Look like because they passed by the other side, I think maybe. It's hot blood. I have to out my attire. But we have to find a place first. Huh? What? It's passed by. Okay, if we stand by somewhere else. Look like this is new to me.
Yeah,
I don't know. What is all about this one now?
I don't know. So,
Nice, right? I've heard music there. This is different. Okay, we just go. Okay, to find the CR. I know where the CR at the time was in the middle. Yeah. This is different. Yeah, there is a billboard. What's it all about? Can you?
No cycling.
It's heavy this one, love. I'ma tell you frankly. That's why we have to eat so that it can come out some of the food and arrange to put in there. It's heavy. Where is? What do you think? Look like over there. Yeah. Yeah, I do remember. We're on top. We are on top. Remember?
Visit Polygon Pets for our self-service dog wash locations and more. Warm water, a range of shampoos and blow dries.
It's down, love. There is a way going down. That's the CR over there. Whew. Wait a minute. Jesus Christ. Okay, we find a place going down. Is it okay? The one na pudla? It's heavy, malapite. The backpack. It's a long way. We just asked the guy. Oh God. He's just saying that halfway from there or to there. There are lots of padlock. Oh. Whew. They just put some padlock. The meaning to that, they wanted their marriage will last long. Can you make it? Holding this? Because I'm filming, love. Love. Can you make it this? Holding only? I'm filming.
Oh, it must be
It's a long way. Some people are looking because there are lots of padlock they just put. Oh. They just follow in France. France are doing that. There's a bridge in France. They just put padlock. They throw it in the sea. The padlock, I mean the key. Oh. Oh. It's, oh my goodness. Oh God, oh God. Bloody hell, I'm tired already. Okay.
It's hard work.
Yeah, yeah.
These are good.
Okay, yeah. One way of exercise. Oh God. Oh God, Lord. What's going? Love, we have to sit down for a while.
It's a bloody place you go down.
What's this? There's nothing there. Where are we going down?
I'm going into town.
You sit down. Oh God. We'll just be back because it should be there, not there. So we will be back. Oh God, it's a long way already.
Misty.
Huh?
It's very misty.
Really? Everything is mine. My eyes. Yeah, they're young. She's young. If I'm young, I can run. Because I'm doing long time ago running as well. I think I joined when I was in elementary. I joined for the running. I'm one of the runners when I was in elementary. But I didn't continue. I'm focused on the one that in here, what you call that? Cricket. We call that in our country as softball. I also, but I didn't continue. I don't like softball. I don't like. Only in the running. Look like few people only, Malapeter. I know we'll be here on top at that time. I don't remember that. Oh, God. I forgot my eyeglass. I'm just wearing this one. This other eyeglass. I look like the movie Nani Magpi. It's very nice. They're nice to eat in there. Oh. This is expensive. Is this a hotel? A restaurant? I think a restaurant, right? A restaurant. Ay, wedding venue. No, it's nice, oh. For the wedding venue, that's nice. Overlooking the sea. That is expensive, I think. Yeah, expensive. Oh, God, Lord. Look like few people, Malapeter. Oh, let's come here. Betul kada. They have to, what you that? They have to put something there slow. If you have a bike. What?
Very misty. It's not your eyes.
Really? Few. It's not a lot. But I don't know in the stores. In the stores they're down. I don't know. It's not the one that we just saw. Oh, look like there's no display, love. You know what I mean? Display. Yeah. Just like display for military tank, military vehicles, ladder. Well, we don't know. Because we are here on top yet. Ah, just come here. Why does it matter that we walk over there? You know, I just only sleep, I think 4 hours. Yeah. Because I cannot sleep. What's going on with me? Maybe somebody just talking about me in the Philippines. That's what I'm thinking. I cannot sleep. There's only 4 hours only I sleep. Oh, God, I say to myself, we're going to Bournemouth to watch the Airshow and I only sleep 4 hours. That's why I just cover myself with this. I have my sunglasses. I will use that then later on. When we stand by there in the, down there in the sea. Let's come here. Look like it's near already down there. I think that's the one there. The one that sounds there. I know the other time there is a playground. I mean, look like a small park. I think this the one, Melpet. No, it's closed. Is this the one? No. Is this the one? Is this the one? It's closed. No, it's not. That's not the way going down. Oh, nice scooter. Oh, I love it. I remember my scooter at home. That's for the men because that's big. Mine is small scooter. That's the one I use. That's why I plan to send to the Philippines my 2 bikes because I'm not interested in the bikes this time. So we give that one for Donald. That's mine. But I plan that to Jay will look and take care of my bike. I can use that when I be in the Philippines. That's a plan for. So that Jay has 2 bikes already. That's a plan. Ay, no. It's so near. It's so near. That's the main. The CR over there. That's the park we sit down there. Oh, goodness me. We stroll first before we just eat, okay? Say okay? There.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. 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 It's difficult if you're already old. Oh, goodness me. It's not like before that we are just walk fast, run fast. Now
Yeah.
that I'm already 60 plus years old,
It's for my
I have to be
brother's birthday present
careful.
and also my mum's.
Just pain in my knee a little bit down.
Yeah,
Goodness
so it's
me.
my mum.
Okay. Why is it we're going up in there? Stupid. You know what I mean? I know the time we're going up. There's a CRs well there. Okay. Now what's I'm gonna do? Wait.
Where's the CR now?
Here. Okay.
That's what I remember.
Yeah, that one in there. Why is it you're going up in there? Just come here. Okay, I think that's all for now. I just continue later on. There are lots of people here in Bournemouth to watch the air show. So, I think... Oh, that's also for the women, Malapita. Look at that bike. Oh. The scooter, everything for the men. There, oh. Oh, nice, Malapita. Oh. That's for the women and men. Nice, right? Okay, I think that's all for now because Malapita is going up. There's a vehicle at the back. Okay. We stand by in the park there. Okay, that's all for now. Our backpack. I just put in here. It just look like camping. Squat on the floor. I'm just waiting Malapita. I cannot take long with a lot of video because there's a music. Might be copyright. That's why I'm waiting for Malapita is coming. This is I should just buy a coffee. If not, maybe when we just go, that's the time I buy a coffee. Just stand by for a few minutes here. I'll just stand by because it's not yet the air show start. I think Melpet is coming already. Not yet, so I guess that's all for now. Bye-bye.